Hello everyone, this is Ankita Mallick here back again with another video creating this makeup look for this festive season. So if you wanna know how I created this makeup look, then please continue watching. I'm taking the Pond's Super Light Gel Oil Free Moisturizer first and gently applying it all over my face, as moisturizing the face before makeup is very important to help the skin stay well moisturized underneath the makeup and also for creating a smooth base for the application of the makeup. For primer, I'm taking the Colorbar Flawless Finish Primer and applying it all over my face but focusing mostly around my T-zone. Next, I am taking the Swiss Beauty Real Makeup Base Highlighting Primer in shade 01 Natural Tint and applying it just around my cheekbone and also on my temple so that it kind of adds a soft glow to that area. Now for foundation, I'm taking the Maybelline New York Superstay foundation in shade 128 Warm Nude and the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in shade 330 Toffee, and mixing both the shades, I'm applying it all over my face with the help of a damp beauty sponge. Next, I'm taking the L.A.Girl Pro HD Concealer in shade Pure Beige and applying it on my eyelid. I'm gonna do the eye makeup first before the rest of my makeup, so I'm just applying the concealer on my eyelid only for now to create a perfect base for the eyeshadows to pop out beautifully on my eyelid. Now before the concealer settles into the creases, I am quickly setting my eyelid with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in shade Light Medium by gently pressing the powder using a damp beauty sponge. I'm using the Incolors Cosmetics Delicate Eyebrow Palette in shade number 02 to enhance my eyebrows. Now I'm taking the Miss Claire Makeup Studio eyeshadow palette in 03 and picking up this shade, I'm blending it out around the outer corner of my eyes and also on my crease line. Slowly taking it all the way towards the inner corner of my eyes as well. Next, I am taking this darker shade and using a pencil brush, I am blending it just around the outer corner to deepen it a little bit more and softly blending it towards the crease line. And I'm also blending it around the inner corner of my eyes. Now I'm taking the Miss Claire Full Coverage Makeup Concealer in shade Skin Beige and applying it on the center of my eyelid to create a base for the next shade I'm going to apply so that it shows up bright and beautiful. Now I am taking the Nicka K-Pop Neon 9 color eyeshadow palette in Ocean Eyes and picking up this blue shimmer shade. I am packing it just on the center of my eyelid on the top of the concealer. Next, I am taking the Miss Claire single eyeshadow in shade Black and I am carefully packing the shade around the outer corner of my eyelid so that I don't have any fallouts under my eyes. and also around the inner corner of my eyes. Next, I am picking up this shade and blending it on my lower lash line. For my lashes, I am taking the Nykaa Lash Talk Superstay Volumizing Mascara and applying it on my lashes. Next, I am taking the Maybelline New York the Colossal Kajal and applying it on my waterline. Taking the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contour Stick in Oaks on You and applying it on the usual places to contour my face. And then using a damp beauty sponge to blend all in. Taking the L.A.Girl Pro HD Concealer again and applying it under my eyes to cover up the darkness under my eyes. And blending it well using a damp beauty sponge. Taking the Maybelline New York Instant Age Rewind Eraser Multi-Use Concealer in shade Light and applying it under my eyes and also on the center of my face to highlight those areas a little bit more, and carefully blending all of it using a damp beauty sponge without disturbing my makeup base. Taking the Maybelline New York Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder again in shade Light Medium to set the concealer that I have applied on my face. I'm taking the Makeup Revolution Blusher Reloaded in shade Peaches and Cream and applying it on my cheekbone with the help of a brush. To highlight my cheekbone and my temple, I'm using the Nykaa Strobe Glow Liquid Highlighter in shade Glazed Bronze and applying just 3 dots on both the sides of my face and then blending it with my fingers. taking the Maybelline New York Master Chrome Illuminating Metallic Highlighter in shade Molten Gold, and using a pencil brush, I am applying it on my brow bone and also on the inner corner of my eyes. And also on the bridge of my nose. Now for the lips, I am taking the Wet n Wild Gel Lip Liner in shade Bare to Comment and lining my lips. And then for my lips, I am taking the Maybelline New York Color Jolt Matte Intense Lip Paint in shade 12 Midnight Brick. I had ordered it long back and this is no longer available now. Now to set the makeup, I am taking some Wet n Wild makeup setting spray and spritzing little bit on the beauty sponge and then dabbing it all over my face. And this is it. This is the final look. I really hope you liked this festive smoky eye makeup look, and thank you so much for watching this video. Before you go, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and I will see you in my next. Bye.